Trade deals impact on ocean freight. Recent trade agreements between the U.S., Japan, and the European Union are unlikely to help the struggling ocean container shipping market, according to the latest analysis from Zanetta released yesterday. U.S. trade deals are not a magic bullet, that report said, and we should not expect them to breathe new life into the subdued shipping market. This was from Emily Stosberg, Zanetta senior shipping analyst. She notes that while the recently negotiated 15% tariff on EU imports represents a compromise, it still creates challenges for shippers. A 15% tariff on imports from the EU is not good news for shippers. It is just news that it isn't as bad as it could have been, she said. Similarly, this week's U.S.-China negotiations in Stockholm are unlikely to return import costs to pre-April levels when the Trump administration implemented sweeping reciprocal tariffs. The freight market's current downturn follows a brief surge in April and May when shippers front-loaded imports during a temporary tariff reduction period. That cargo rush is now over, and freight rates are falling hard, particularly on the front haul trades from the Far East, Stosberg explained. Carriers are attempting to stabilize rates by reducing capacity on U.S. trade routes, but these efforts may prove insufficient given the significant overcapacity in the global container fleet. Carriers have reported massive profits in recent years in the wake of supply chain turmoil, but unless they can halt the dramatic decline in freight rates, those days may be over, Stosberg warned. Industry data further confirms this outlook. Drewry's World Container Index fell 3.3% last week, marking its sixth consecutive weekly decline. The analysis forecast is a weakening supply-demand balance in the second half of 2025, which will likely drive spot rates even lower, according to Drewry. The volatility and timing of rate changes will depend on Trump's future tariff decisions and potential capacity shifts resulting from the uncertain implementation of U.S. penalties on Chinese ships proposed for October implementation. I'm Stas Margaronis, and this is RBTUS.com, Rebuild the United States.